Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you the top 5 seeds that I found. So the first one is the Mushroom Island. So the seed for this one is very cold. All small letters and no space. It's VERYCOLD. You can see it on the screen. So we will spawn in a Mushroom Island that's half normal plains biome and half Mushroom Island. So the world is generating. So as you can see, the world is generated, and here's the mushroom biome right here. So this whole island is the mushroom island, and here we have a little bit of plains. There's only 2 trees, so you need to take care of that very well if you're survival. Oh, actually there are many trees over here. So it's a very good seed for a survival, as mobs don't spawn on the mushroom biomes. So this is the first seed. Let's move on to the second seed. So the second seed is Snow Village. So you can see the seed right here, and it will also be in the description, so you can go and watch over there. So this seed, it has a ruined portal and a village which is in the snow. There are many igloos and there are a lot of chests, so you can loot a lot of things over there. If you want me to make more videos on seeds, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. So as you can see, we spawned right here near the ocean, and you cannot see any snow biomes over here. You can see one iceberg over there, but that's not where we are going. So over there in the distance you can see the village, and on the way you can see there's a ruined portal. Let's see what are the loots inside. Oh, so it's very good loot. We have fire protection, unbreaking leggings. Then we have golden axe with efficiency 3 and silk touch. We have one more silk touch hoe with unbreaking 3 and a lot of gold. Let's see how many gold ingots are there. 15 gold ingots and efficiency 2 axe. So it's very good. You can easily get started collecting wood, especially with efficiency 3. Let's go forward and see what are the loots are there in the villages. Let's start with this igloo. So there's a furnace, so you don't need to collect cobblestone for these furnaces. There are 2 furnaces and there's bed 2, and there's a blacksmith over here. Let's see what he has. So he also has iron leggings, some apples, bread and a sword. So that's pretty good loot. And there's some more igloos over here. Let's see what's inside this one. Another furnace and some food. What's inside you? Excuse me. So there's a smoke over here, so you can cook food very fast. And this village is very big, so you can explore it yourself. So let's move on to the next seed. So the next seed is Village in Mansion. Yeah, you heard that right. A village right next to a woodland mansion. So you can see the seed over here. It will also appear on the screen. So you might be thinking, why is it in mansion and not near mansion? Because the village is literally inside the mansion. Like half of the village is outside and half is inside. Let's take a look. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. And the world is getting generated. Let's see. So you can see the world has been created, and you cannot see any villages nearby. That's because you need to go to this coordinates right here, 650, 100 and minus 450. So let's quickly teleport to their coordinates. $650 and and minus 450. So there I'm teleported. So let the chunk get loaded. I think it's going to take some time. Okay, so you can see over here, as I said, the village is inside the woodland mansion. You can see here half the village is outside, right here. So this is very cool. So after gathering some materials, you can just come to this coordinates and check out this woodland mansion. It's huge. You can see over here the path is going inside. So coming to the other side, you can see there's this floating house that's also been destroyed due to the mansion spawning over here. You can see right here. So that's it for seed number 3. Let's move on to seed number 4. So the 4th seed is Ocean Village. So this village is right next to ocean. There's even a desert nearby where there's another village. So this seed is pretty good. I played survival myself in the seed, so I would highly recommend to play in this seed. So as you can see, I have spawned here in front of the ocean, but there's no village over here. You may be thinking there's no village over here at all, but you're wrong. The village is right there. If you follow this river, you can see here's the village. It's a really good village. There's a small lake right here which connects all the way around till here. So it looks pretty cool, and there's a lot of houses also in this village where you can loot some stuff. So let's see what loot is there inside this house. So there are 4 emeralds, apples and some bread. Let's check what other houses have loot. Let's check in this house. Okay, it doesn't have any loot. Okay, this one has quite a lot of apples, bread and potatoes. So that's very good. Let's now go to the other village. As you can see from here, just move towards the desert in this direction. You can see another village right there. So this is a desert village which is half in the plains biome. Let's check what loot these people have. So in this house, let's check. Okay, he has an emerald, some dye, some clay and some books. Okay, so let's check inside this house. There's nothing. Okay, no, nothing in here too. I don't think these small houses will have. Let's check in this one. Okay, nothing here. Let's check in this big house. Nothing here too. Okay, so let's check in this house. Okay, there's a cartography table. So it's very useful to make maps. And there's even a cartographer, so you can trade with him, get some maps. Okay, so that's really good. And let's check what else is there in here. Okay, there's a way out. Okay, there's another way in. Okay, so let's check over here. Nothing in here. Okay, so I think this village doesn't have that much loot as the before one had. So the loot may differ for you, but there will be loot. So I think that's it for this seed. Let's move on to the next seed. Okay, so the 5th seed is mini biomes. So this seed has many biomes all around. It has Mesa biome, which is really rare. So let's go in and check it out. So if you like my videos and you want me to make more these type of videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to be uploading more videos, so make sure to wait for those. So let's head into the world and check this seed out. This is the last seed of the video. So you can see I spawned right here in this water, and there's a jungle biome right in front of me. There's even some pandas, so that must mean there's bamboo nearby, right here. So even a bamboo forest is here, and if you check in my map, there's ice spikes and this ice biome right here. And if you go more forward, there's a mesa biome right there. There's even a snow biome towards that side, you can see over here in the corner. And there's even a desert over here in this corner, which is not seen in the map. So you can see this is the mesa biome. It's really rare, and you're getting it near spawn, which is even more rare. So it's really good seed, you must try it out. The seed is right up on your screen, you can see, check it out. You can see there will be a lot of mine shafts down here, so you can check those out too. And coming towards this side, you can see there's even a swamp biome connected to this mesa biome. So going forward, you can see the line of swamp is getting bigger, which is really cool, and it's a really big mesa biome. You can see how huge it is. Coming here, you can see some 2-3 swamp trees. So as we come towards this side, you come into this biome right here. So you can see there's a lot of biomes in this seed. You can explore them out. There's even few villages nearby. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.